Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Operator's loadout. Do that now. Once there, select the specific weapon you want to modify and open its attachments panel. You're changing the optic itself, so choose between 1x, 1, 5x, 2, 0x, or 2. 5x optics depending on range needs. Make the swap and immediately test by previewing the weapon model. This shows the physical size and sight picture. Once done, save the loadout. That first step gets the correct optic hardware in place before you tune aim behavior. Now you refine how that optic feels. Go to Options, Controls, and open Advanced ADS settings to change aim down sight sensitivity and the zoom sensitivity multiplier. This directly affects perceived optic size when aiming. Also check ADS camera FOV or camera center options to reduce or increase the visible sight picture. Save settings to a profile so they stick across operators. Make small tweaks and return to the weapon preview after each change to evaluate how the optic size and responsiveness match your aim. Finish by testing in a custom match or the shooting range so you can see the optic size under real movement and recoil. Calibrate vertical and horizontal sensitivity specifically for that zoom level and practice recoil correction. That's why different optic sizes demand different muscle memory. If the optic change fails to appear, restart the game, verify game files, or clear the cache. Those steps force the client to load updated attachment data. If problems persist, reinstall the UI or reapply the loadout to reset values.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.